guys, Lori here on Vancouver Island. Welcome back for another fun painting episode. Let's get to it. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And thank you all for subscribing and coming in and spending some of your time with me today. I know that time is precious for all of us, and the fact that you choose to spend some of it with me is, I feel very honored. So thank you. And yeah, let's get to painting. I love my mom dearly, and I love that she lives with us because we have such fun together. I just actually had quite the laugh at her expense. The other day, she went to the mailbox, and she came back with a phone book, of all things. A phone book. And I was like, why on earth would you bring us a phone book? We haven't used a phone book in how many years? And what are you going to do with this? And she made a comment that, well, in an emergency situation, it could make good toilet paper. So, so I went and put it in her bathroom. Well, this is now, 3 or 4 days later or whatever, and she came in here and she's like, I am perplexed. I'm like, what? She's like, why is there a phone book in with the polydent? And so when I told her that it was because she said she wanted it for toilet paper, that's why it was there. She about peed her pants. Laughing. She needed the phone book. So I don't know what she's done with it now, but hopefully she will not bring another one home. Hopefully she's learned her lesson.
It's still in the drawer. I'm thinking I'll ask David.
Oh, did you?
I didn't yet.
Oh, you didn't tell him?
I didn't. I thought I'd ask him.
I love you, Mom.
Yeah, right.
Anyway, yeah, so this is just stunning. I love how I wasn't really liking this color that I was mixing up. I wasn't really liking it, but I really love the kind of beigey brownish shade that it turned into. And so again, I'm going to let this dry and I'll bring you on down for a close-up before I edit this video, and we'll see what you think. So what are you doing about your hair? I got to admit that mine is driving me crazy. It's yeah, it's just too long. I mean, and it's funny because I've had my hair down as far as my waist in the past, but even when I had it that long, I always wore it up. But now, I can't even put it up. So what have you done? Have you cut your hair already? Have you snuck out to the hairdresser? Hmm? Anyway, tell me in the comments down below. Alrighty then. So here it is all done, and it's just stunning. The colors really, really pop against each other. And the little gold speckles in it just kind of give it that little extra oomph. So yeah, and then some of the designing. So I can't wait to see this all dried and all finished and with a clock face on it, and it's going to just look spectacular. So thank you so much for stopping in today, and thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. I can't wait to hear what you've done with your hair. And I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks for being you. Bye now.